Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have this is going to be a, so you can see it as I see it. It is a, little tag fell off, but there we go. It's like a little sling bag with a hard kind of backing to it. So I'll show you guys what it all looks like here. So let me open it all up, see what we got. So here is one section here. Looks like it opens up. This whole side here to open up to get into it. So it's an interesting opening on it. But here we go. So there, now I can make it kind of big. You can see it's got a nice big opening to it, so you can fit all sorts of stuff in there. And then you have this clip here. You can clip onto here, and let me see, where else does it clip? Down here. So there. So there, this is the bag here. And so you can kind of wear it like, you know, whatever, like this or whatever, however you want to take it with you. And you've got the little pouch in there. So this is a nice little bag I kind of got, you know, so it's got a nice hard side to it. It's got these straps here. You can strap things onto it. So if you're trying to take things with you, you just kind of put it on here and strap them in place like that. There's one. Funny that it's very, hopefully you can see, I'll aim it down a little bit. There we go. And here's the other side here. So you can strap it in, make it tighter, whatever you need. And if you have it like this, you can, you know, have your bag, and you can put whatever you want inside of it. You have your handle here. You can put a water bottle on the side here too, even if you want to bring that. And it's nice. I like the way it's a hard-sided one, because I've always had bags that are just not. And then you've got you can zip it closed here, and you can just open up this side here if you need to get into it. Inside, you can see it's got a little mesh pocket here on the side, so you can put things there. Another little mesh pocket there, another mesh pocket there. So it's got a few mesh pockets on there. And then, so let me zip this back up here. What am I doing? Oh, my bungee fell out. Okay. And so we have a handle here, so you can hold it this way if you want to. It's really kind of a cool bag that you have all these different options of doing things with, and really cool. And then you can bungee things up front too, up top. So cool bag. So this will be used for me. I'll probably be putting all of Penny's things in it for my doggy to carry all her stuff around. So how cool is that? Let me see what this says here. It says product running packs, backpack, handlebars, tube top bags, saddle bags. Yep. So this is sweet. So, and you can put it onto your handlebars. You can, you know, on the bike, have it like that, whatever you want. It'll just be a nice bike bag, whatever, and really cool. So, actually, I think I will maybe, because I have one of those the racks on the back. You can just hook this onto the rack on the back of the bike, and then it has a nice hard side. So, good, lots of different options. So, totally cool. Thumbs up.